Okay, this is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode 21. Let's see where God takes us. Alt B. And we are in after Egypt, the mountain. Okay. So just to show you what this is, the part we're looking at is where this part right here, walking up the mountain back and forth. Okay, so it's a zigzag, and so this is the main loop for that. We set the draw it callback to draw mountain, and then every time it updates the screen it calls draw mountain, and we get the center X and the center Y. We draw a sprite number 1, and sprite number 1 is this mountain. We set the color and pen width, and then we draw it. And the tricky part is we use a spline. I think we use a spline, don't we? Right images, left images. To walk back. Oh, okay. So in the background we have it drawing the mountain, and in the foreground we have it doing a spline. And a spline is basically a smooth curve that goes through points. Actually, I think it comes close to points. There's 17 points, and here are the points. And okay, so the points are identical to the line we drew, 0, 0, 0 to 100 minus 120. Anyway, so and so when it draws the spline, you tell it this is a function with a callback. You tell it how you give it a routine to plot each point on the curve, and our plot sets the X and Y and goes to sleep for 10 milliseconds. So you can bail out early with the return value from this plot function. Anyway, so it's setting global variables X and Y. So these are the global variables X and Y for the man going up the mountain, and we keep track of if he's going left or right, and if he's going one direction we use a left image. If he's going the other direction we use a right image. We could have done a symmetry, but this is easier. So we have an animation, and we animate by taking the time 6 times a second, 6 times second, and 3. That's what that does. Is there are 4 images, 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's how that works. And so just to see it once again in action, he's going to walk up the mountain right here. See him walking up the mountain? Now I can bail out early if I hit a key. Like there, I just bailed out. Okay, so last was left. If he's going, if the last X is less than, if the current X is less than the last X, he's going left. If the current x is greater than the last x, he's going right. Okay.